sensors on the left side and the right side. So first we find the label place and move the left and the right side sensors in the middle of the label. So this one is left and right side move, also front and back side movable. So manually we adjust this one and this one to make sure the light is in the middle of the label place.
把色标现在正好再放到上面。
And next, now the label is already there, so we press the amplifier start once and remove the label. 等一下啊 press set again. So it will show good and showing a number. So now it's okay. 这步就算做完了嘛？他如果如果
手动调的话，最后再那个。
We load the film. Next, we go to the touch panel and find the color code seek. So press one time. 哎，怎么不动了？
因为它现在在那个位置，它会报警。这边它会报个警。
已经在那位置是吧？After we press the color code seek, the film will automatically come down, and 就是直到它不动为止，然后我们再检查这个刀的距离，对吧？After the film stop,
现在不够吗
we check the blade and the label position. If not enough, we need to adjust the height through here. Adjust the height. So now the distance is not enough. We need to.
这个时候调完之后还要重新再思维的，因为它位置是跑。
After we adjust the height again, we need to press color code seek again.
点一下四标搜索。
So we press color seek again.
现在确认已经差不多。
And now you see, it's come down more. So when we find that the position is okay, we 就这样就可以了，是吧？
可以。
So now it's okay. We can use cut single action to check the cutting if it's good or not. About the film length, so its distance is from here to here. This means the two label distance. For example, this one is 70 millimeter, so we set in the touch panel here. This one, film length 70 millimeter, and one more we need to set. 还有那个画面是刚才在哪里来着的 ？Is parameter. We need to set the color code seek length. Usually we set 10, so 10 set 10. This one. So it means the total length is 70. So the first 60 millimeter is high speed come down, and another 10 millimeter for seeking the length. Its speed is lower. So we can set in this way. Color code seek speed. So usually we set 20.
还有这边搜索延时，搜索延时，刚才不是可以明显一点吗？假如它是，就是它那个色标条件好的话，也可以设成个0。
还是设定10吧。不然免得 for the delay color code seek delay we usually set into 10. 那你这个其他的呢？
其他的基本上没有。
你这个放料是干嘛的？放料速度。
放料是后边的。没有。还有它这个是那个叫什么？就是高速那个速度，4000。
这个反正就按这个去设定就好了，是吧？All the other parameters we can set according to our reference values.